Karibuni. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to my wife Jacinta's little banana patch, which is just out back behind our house in Kenya, and where I am at this moment endeavoring to build a basketball court for our son Mubasu, who absolutely adores that sport. And I gotta say, not only does he absolutely love the sport, but he is actually quite good. I mean, he's only 12 years old, and I was quite surprised when I first saw him shooting three-pointers and hitting at an accuracy rate of over 50%. I would cut down a couple of trees and we'll just build a half court so he can just practice his shooting and a little bit of dribbling.
They removed their tax.
Anyway, so yeah, we started cutting down trees. So now, actually, this was intended to be a Christmas gift for him. So I didn't want him to know what I was doing back there every day. I have a question.
Yes.
At what point did you realize I wasn't growing peas back there, but I was making a basketball court?
The very first day.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It wasn't? Why peas? I don't know. It was just the first thing that came into my mind. This is Maurice, and he's actually a taxi driver, but he's such a kind and helpful individual that he offered to help, wheelbarrow some of these heavy cement bags. They're all like 50 kilos back from the road to the work site. Well, I've been working with Mwangangi now for several years, and he's detail-oriented, he's conscientious, and when it comes to cementing, nobody does it better. So at that point, I just step back. I become his assistant, I just step back, let him do his thing.
My coffee. All right, this is little Mubasu. He's the one we're building the court for today. We're cementing this area here. The banana tree right here that has to come down because it's inside our court. So we got to chop it down first. People have asked what's going on here. Well, we had a week delay because I had to go into the hospital. Nothing too... I'll be all right. Hey, Bruce, what the heck are you doing down there?
We added quite a lot of powdered pigment to the cement to give it some color. We wanted it to be a very colorful court. But the actual reality was that it did not have quite the intensity we had hoped. It kind of had a faded look. But the faded look was actually kind of interesting in its own right. So, it's okay. Now I'm going to mount the backboard to an actual living tree, which is on its own peculiar angle, which of course I had to correct. It was a challenge, but we kind of hodgepodged it together and it actually came out well in the end.
Let's just do the Jackson Pollock thing here. This backboard's going to be a work of art. I can tell you, It's going to be just Shazam. Shazam, Kapisa. Mubasu, behind the back, come on. We want fancy passes. Come on. Yeah, come on. Okay, so now we got this. This is Mwangangi, Mubasu. Mwangangi and I are the ones that putting this thing together, doing all this work. And so now I built the scaffolding. We got the backboard on the scaffolding. I'm gonna climb the tree, and I'm gonna get up there. I'm gonna pull while Mwangangi is pushing. Let's see how this works. Okay, so Mwangangi's in his station. He's gonna be helping by pushing from behind. I'm gonna climb the tree, and I'm gonna be pulling.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see how this works. Don't touch anything.
Wow.
How's it going?
Doing well.
Awesome.
Oh, yep.
Literally, no sooner than we had the backboard mounted, but that little children began to appear. You know, build it and they will come. Hey, can I play? I want some of this.